If your PDF files are not opening in Microsoft Edge or they keep downloading instead of opening in the browser, then this video is going to help you fix that in just a few simple steps. I'll show you exactly where to go in Edge settings to turn off the option that forces PDFs to download and make sure PDF viewing is enabled again. This is a quick fix, but it solves one of the most common PDF issues in Microsoft Edge. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main menu where all of Edge's settings and tools are located. From there, click on Settings. That will take you to the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. Now on the left-hand side, look for Privacy, Search, and Services. Click that section, because this is where Edge keeps many of its browser and site-related controls. After that, scroll down or look through the options until you find Site Permissions. Click on Site Permissions to open the Permissions menu. Inside Site Permissions, select All Permissions. This shows every permission category Edge manages. From here, find and click PDF Documents. This is the area that controls how Microsoft Edge handles PDF files on websites and in the browser. Now here is the key setting you want to check. Look for the option called Always Download PDF Files. If this toggle is turned on, Edge will download PDFs automatically instead of opening them in the browser. Turn that toggle off. This is one of the most important steps in fixing PDFs that are not opening properly in Microsoft Edge. Next, make sure the toggle for PDF view settings is turned on. This helps ensure Edge can actually display PDF files inside the browser instead of treating them like files that need to be downloaded. If it is already on, leave it that way. If it is off, switch it on now. Once you have made those changes, you can close the Settings tab. Now try opening a PDF file again in Microsoft Edge. In most cases, the PDF should open directly in the browser window just like normal. If it still does not work right away, refresh the page or restart Edge and try again. So to quickly recap, open Edge, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services, then Site Permissions, then All Permissions, then PDF Documents. Turn off Always Download PDF Files and make sure PDF View Settings is turned on. That should fix the problem for most users. If this video helped you fix PDF files not opening in Microsoft Edge, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting videos, browser fixes, and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.